Hi and welcome to our final video on getting started with Trello. So we're basically at the end of our Trello journey, at the beginning anyway, or the start of it I should say, and we've gone through how Trello works, how to create boards, cards, add attachments, how to work with team members. We've gone through pretty much the works. So there's only a couple of little tricks that I wanted to show you off in this final video. For a basics course, there will be other videos where we go into a bit more complicated options such as power-ups or Butler, which is an automation tool, which is really nice. But we're going to just click on that little home button in the top left here. And this takes us to our boards. At the bottom here of this list, you can see home. You can click on home. And this gives you a rough idea of tasks across multiple boards and how things are going. So at the very top, up next, we'll have anything that is specifically to do with you. Okay, so you can go, okay, well, there's my create new website. It's assigned to me. That's why I'm seeing it. If I had 20 things that are assigned to me, I would see that as well. I can actually click straight into the card and it will pop up straight on the board as well. Okay, which is a nice quick go-to. I can also complete this task right here. Okay, or I can go, well, I don't want to watch it anymore. I can change the due date, or I can give it to another member. And below that, there's highlights. So this shows just basically what's been happening on the boards that you're watching and that you see, which is a nice little tip there. If we go back to the boards here, again, we can create another board. We'll just quickly do one now. We're going to call this home. And we're going to give it that nice background of an ocean there. And again, it's pretty quick to load once it creates the image, and you can see here it's a blank board here. Now we can go ahead and add our inbox, add our to-do, add our done. Okay, so we'll have